under the relentless sun, a dog wanders through the parched field, his desperate search for water evident in every step. Weakened and defeated, the dog collapses under the shade of a large tree, his labored breathing filling the silence. High above, a crow observes the dog's plight with keen interest, its dark eyes gleaming with curiosity. A crow descends into the tranquil garden, his keen gaze surveying the scene. Spotting a terracotta pot with a shallow pool of water, the crow approaches with a purposeful hop. Driven by an instinctive ingenuity, the crow begins to drop stones one by one into the pot, each splash a testament to his resolve. The dog laps eagerly at the water, tail wagging with uncontainable joy. The crow nods, a hint of pride in his gesture, then takes flight, soaring back towards his tree. "Thank you, clever crow," he barks happily, watching the crow disappear into the sky.
It's Fables TV.